Yeah, basically, we here with the one chip challenge, man.
Hey, don't never try this.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy BJ, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been forever, man, but I'm back, and I got my guy here with me, man.
Boy, Jamie.
Yeah, basically, we here with the one chip challenge, man. Too bad he's not eating it. I'm the only one eating it because he punked out.
Whoa.
He punked out. You feel me? But, you know, I got my milk here because I know I'm about to die. I know I am. But for y'all entertainment purposes and everything else, I'm going to try it. You feel me? So.
How long?
Man, I'm about to get to it, man.
Oh, you gotta get my reaction.
Boy, if you don't get
You trying to open the bottle?
That's what it looked like. I can see that. And then I don't smell nothing yet, but hey, why you gotta be black? Oh my. Oh! Bro,
What you doing at?
bro, that is strong.
Smell like a ramen noodle.
Bro, if I die, bro, it's. Bro, if I die, bro, this is a big ass chip.
I eat something with you.
You wanna eat some?
Yeah.
It's only one though.
Give me a little piece. Just a little break off.
How little? You break it.
Nah, you break it.
Oh, you break it. What
Why
you
I gotta
mean?
break it?
Cause you said a little piece. I don't know what a little piece is.
Alright. Right here.
Right there.
Yeah, it's cool.
Whew. It's still a lot.
That's good. That's you. That's cool. I'm cool. I ain't trying to get to it.
You go first. No,
I would take bites.
No, I'm gonna go first.
Go ahead.
Cause we only have one milk.
Yeah, you're not gonna drink the whole thing.
Who not?
You not.
This big ass chip. I'm gonna eat them.
Alright, go ahead. What?
Alright, I'm alright. Hold on. Let me go get a. What's it called? Alright.
Who won first? Well,
Alright, ready? I'm gonna do it first because I got the bigger chip.
Go ahead. Man, you stalling me, B.
I am, man. It's big,
Man,
bro. No, don't eat yours,
Come
man.
on, I got it.
I got the bigger one, bro. I got you. Alright.
Go ahead.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Count down. From 10.
10.
10.
5.
10!
10.
10.
9.
9.
8. 6. 7.
Come on!
Alright, 8.
Come on.
7. 6. 5. 4.
3, 2,
2. 1. What? Oh.
That shit don't even taste good.
I don't know if I want to eat it. You said it don't taste good. You chicken. Bro, it ain't even that bad. I this junk is kicking. Hurry up, bro. Hurry up. Hurry up, bro. Bro, hot, bro. Come on, bro. It's hot. But move, bro. Good, bro. Oh, woo. My boy. My boy. My boy. Bruh. Oh my God. Bro. Nigga. Hell no. I'm never trying that again.
Move your ass.
Hey, don't never try this. At all. I just threw up in the mouth. But I should never ate that pizza. Alright. What was your... My mouth's still on fire. Look at my eyes.
Ooh, my boy.
Ooh. What's your thoughts on it?
Man, never again. I'm so cool. So cool.
Bro, I'm never doing that again. That was crazy. Nah, I'm
Man,
never.
I threw up 3 times.
Oh, God.
I'm still on
My
fire.
mouth's still on fire. My nose is messed up.
Mine too. Hey, but I'm a soldier though. I ain't drink no milk. I ain't drink nothing. I'm a soldier.
You had this little...
It don't matter.
I had this big ass piece like this big.
It don't matter.
Bro, I
I'm
had
still a soldier.
Whatever, bro.
Look, man. Y'all, if y'all want to try it, go try it. But
Yeah.
recommendation for me?
No.
No. I'm so cool.
Man, but that's the end of the video, man. Be sure to follow my boy on Instagram. His Instagram will be in the description. Description down below.
And it's gonna be up here in the top right corner.
But without further ado, man, we out. Peace.